Our role in EcoPro Digi project was to develop the model of the digital supply chain in shipbuilding ecosystem. And when we went to the ExoPro Digi, we actually started to build up the model that how we are scaling up the system, the digital system, which was actually designed and tested in EcoPro Digi. In the project, we also developed our CALS further. The CALS is the digital system, how we can actually manage the material portfolios, do material planning, procurement and logistics, and also we have the transparency for the whole supply chain and supply chain status. So in the project we wanted to increase the flexibility of the system to meet all the players' requirements in the ecosystem. So now we can say that we are ready, that all the players in Meyer shipbuilding ecosystem, they can use the same platform for the material management.
My name is Jana Gustafsson and I'm responsible for the Europlan cruise vessel new build project. It has been pleasure to be part of this ExoPro Digi project with Carina Four. In the beginning, we noticed that we have a same common target to finding and improve the material and logistics project. We as a Europlan, we have recognized that our working environment has been changed dramatically in the past 10 years. We decided that we need to do something for that, and the one challenge was how we will handle the material and logistics in the future. As a key factor, we concentrate the work planning and production planning with the work package mentally. This work takes a remarkable amount of work hours out from the blocks and the vessels and also from the shipyard site team. All works has now planned and transformed work unit packages in the earlier phases in a project. And also all our packaging and the material handling is happening in one dedicated place as a warehouse where we can transport all the materials when we wanted those to come on a place. This is also a very important point of environment because then the CO2 emissions are less. One of the improvement elements was also that we can collecting right data and using those as a key measurements for our projects. It gives us a manage to process with very right and reliable data what we can get from the sites. That's also the database for base of our decision making, how the project is progressing. And also it gives us a lot of trust how we can handle and manage the project in the future.
The benefits of digitalization and information management, that is already verified. I would say that the digitalization itself, that is one of the best investment what we can do in the project industry. So that is improving our possibilities to plan better, control better, to find the deviations better, and also run the continuous improvement, which is increasing the whole ecosystem's productivity and also sustainability.
As a summary, the benefits are significant. Material loss and waste will be minimal. No charging time material from several locations, savings in assembly hours, better product quality with the only one installation, and we have all the materials in one place in the right time. And then in the end, the biggest one, that we have a real-time data and transparency to the sites, that we can see that all work packages has been packed and transported or assembled, so we can follow the project readiness all the time.
I would say that one of the biggest waste in the project industry is system utilization. The system utilization means, for example, warehouse lengths, which means material utilization rates, which means the throughput times of the projects. So I'm very satisfied that in the project we found the ways to reduce the systemic waste and increase sustainability in the project industry.